हाय फ्रेंड, आज आपण क्लासिकल मेथड ऑफ ॲनालिसिस ह्या टॉपिकमधून सेकंड इम्पॉर्टंट जो क्लासिकल मेथड ऑफ ॲनालिसिसचा जो टाईप आहे दॅट इज व्हॅल्यूमेट्रिक ॲनालिसिस. हा व्हॅल्यूमेट्रिक ॲनालिसिसचा जो टाईप आहे आज आपण त्याचा डिटेलमध्ये स्टडी करणार आहोत. The classical analysis, they are divided into two main classes of analysis, that is gravimetric analysis as well as volumetric analysis. The volumetric analysis, in this there is measurement of volume, and in the gravimetric analysis there is measurement of mass. These are the two important class of classical method of analysis. Now in today's lecture we have to learn it is based on the measurement of volumes. टायट्रीमेट्रिक ॲनालिसिसचा आपण जो स्टडी करणार आहोत त्या टायट्रीमेट्रिक ॲनालिसिसमध्ये की ॲक्च्युअल जे मेजरमेंट ऑफ व्हॉल्यूम आपण ह्या टायट्रीमेट्रिक ॲनालिसिसच्या सहाय्याने मेजर करत असतो की जो टाईप फर्स्ट आहे. नाव टुडे वी हॅव टू लर्न द टूल्स इन टायट्रीमेट्रिक ॲनालिसिस. ओके, द टुडेज discussion point, tools in टायट्रीमेट्रिक analysis. The titrimetric analysis we can carry out by using different types of glasswares. Now in here we have required volumetric glasswares as well as standard solutions. There are the two important requirements. The first one, that is volumetric glasswares. Volumetric glasswares and the second one, standard solutions. Okay, these are the two important requirements to carry out or to perform titrimetric analysis. Now the first, that is volumetric glasswares. Volumetric glasswares for the titration purpose, to carry out the different titration reactions, we have to require, there are two types of glasswares. The first one, the calibrated glasswares, like the most common calibrated glasswares like graduated pipettes, volumetric flask, bulb pipette and burette. For carry out volumetric titration, we have to require two types of glasswares. The first one, calibrated glasswares and routine glasswares. Calibrated glasswares like the volumetric flask, then second one, bulb pipette, then third one, graduated pipette, and the fourth important glassware, that is burette. These are the four important glasswares we have to require. These are the four important calibrated glasswares we have to require to carry out titrimetric analysis. Then routine glasswares like glass funnel, beaker and conical flask. These are the routine glasswares we can use it for the practical purpose, but these four glasswares like volumetric flask, bulb pipette and graduated pipette, burette. These are the important glasswares, and we have to need to calibrate these four important glasswares for getting correct result of these practicals. Then calibration of glasswares. Uh, these are the four important glasswares we have to require for the titrometric analysis: volumetric flask, bulb, pipette, graduated pipettes, and burette. Therefore, we have to need calibration for these four glasswares. In the calibration, the first of all, you can wash the all glasswares by using washing mixture, or it known as cleaning mixture, like potassium dichromate. Washing from potassium dichromate and concentrated H2SO4. These are the cleaning mixture. Then second one, after the cleaning of these glasswares, then they all glasswares allowed to drain and then rinsed and washed with distilled water. Okay, second one, rinsed and washed with distilled water. Then third one, then take the liquid solution up to the mark of the glasswares. So like these are the marking of glasswares. Uh, these are the upper marking of these all glasswares. Calibration purpose, you can take the solution up to the mark. Take solution up to the mark. After the solution taken into these glasswares, then this solution delivered to its volume into a clean pre-weighed flask in such a manner that the all liquids or liquid solutions move down along the side of the flask, and then the flask is then stopped. The fourth one, solution is delivered to pre-weighed flask. Then the all solution, that is to ensure that there is no any drop behind in the tip of the glasswares. The all drop we can take in the pre-weighed flask. The fifth one, after solution is delivered to the pre-weighed flask, then ensure that there is no any drop present in this glass, that is no volume of solution into the tip of the glasswares. The next one, the flask containing delivered solution, that is water, it is weighed. Again, the weight of the water delivered is found out as the difference. The temperature at which the water is delivered is also noted. Then note the weight of water. The next one, from the measured temperature and the weight of the water delivered, the volume of the water delivered can be obtained using water density. And then last one, if the volume delivered by the pipette is within the its limit for that volume is in within the limit, then glassware can be accepted. Then glassware can be accepted, or otherwise this glassware may be rejected.
This is calibration process which is need to calibrate all glasswares before we start experiment to get correct result of the any samples.